Belzona 1221 is a two-component paste-grade composite for repairing and rebuilding metal machinery and equipment in the situations when rapid curing is required. In this video, we demonstrate how to mix Belzona 1221 by volume. For the mixing, you will need two components, base and solidifier of Belzona 1221, a Belzona working surface, a spatula, and a pair of scissors. One of the key factors of a Belzona application is a thorough mix of two-component composites. Using the straight edge of a mixing spatula, push the content of each sachet away from the seal to avoid product waste. Cut off one end of both the base and solidifier sachets as close as possible to the seal. Then, squeeze out the entire contents of the sachets onto the working surface. Mix both components together in a figure-8 motion to achieve a uniform material free of any streaks. Once the mixed material turns into a homogeneous gray color with no streaks, it is ready for the planned application on scored hydraulic rams, keyways, pipes, pumps, insulators, transformers, flanges, and other metal components of machinery and equipment.